Assalamualaikum friends, here is 500 plus CDR infographic for Corel, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime, and here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is Telegram channel, subscribe this for notification, okay, or any update. Now here you can see you can add it in Corel, okay. Okay, for example, I open this one. Wait, here is infographic, and first click on unlock layer, unlock, so you can edit everything. For example, click here and color, depend your own choice, okay. Just I tell you, these are editable files. No, and here is unlock. Oh, depend your own choice, you can do anything. Here is text, delete it. No, wow, unlock. Okay, I know you can use it in Corel. I know you can change everything. I tell you, just for example, here is map infographic. Percentage. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app or password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.